Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel. And of course, new product from Aliexpress, and this one cost around $5 and I need to mention because I got a lot of comments about not correct prices that I'm showing in the videos. But believe me, in different countries, in different regions, the prices are different. So if you see $5 and you click the link that I will put in description below and that there is a different price, sorry, because you are living in different country, the prices are different. So what I have today, this gadget, what it says, that it's working from 5 and can measure to 120 volts DC voltage, and it's used for car, truck, voltage circuit tester, auto diagnostic probe test pen, electric measuring pen. Oh, and it comes with this spiral cable. Okay, and I found it interesting and that's why I ordered it, and of course I got it without bubbles. Oh, what does it say? 6 to 24 volts, but in description it says 5 to 120 volts. Did I receive the wrong product? Because it, wow, it have the spiral cable, but I receive it with this the black one. Oh, they have two models. Probably I choose this one with the black cable instead of the spiral. Never mind. Let's open it. Instruction manual. Maybe not. Alright. And here it is, the electric pen for measuring DC voltage with transparent hand and a sticker, of course. Oh, this will be difficult to I need to hit it with my lighter, so that adhesive, to pull out the adhesive very, and yes, beautiful. Okay, we have the negative side with alligator clip, the screwdriver, which is not a screwdriver, it's an electric pen for measuring DC voltage, and why it's coated with all the metal surface with black paint. I need to remove that. So it's a simple device for measuring DC voltage. At front we have the tip, the metal tip, the transparent case, and here, oh, I can open it. Whoa! So I have a contact on this side. I can pull out the voltmeter that is touching the probe, and here it is. Whoa, so simple. So we have, oh, so what we have on the printed circuit board, we have a bridge rectifier. Weird. We have, this one is maybe a voltage regulator, 2 diodes, 1 transistor, couple of resistors and capacitors. And let me grab my digital microscope. Oh, it's opposite. Here it is, the bridge rectifier. Oh, and this, it's not a voltage regulator, it's 13003, which is NPN power transistor, very popular. But why? Okay, never mind. We have two spirals on both sides. The 7-segment LED display with 3 decimals, one LED at the front for indicating probably is it the right side for measuring or not. And we're gonna try it. Okay, put it back. Right here, and this one. Okay, so it's beautiful that you can remove the module and repair it if sometimes get burned or something else. I will use my power supply as power source. The ground is connected and touching the positive lead in 3, 2, 1. Oh, take a look, it's working. Yes, from my power supply I'm sending 16.3 volts and on the voltmeter I'm reading 16.1, and we have the green LED turned on, meaning that the polarity is okay. And let's try it this way. Now positive on the negative, opposite. And yes, beautiful. Now we have the red light turned on, meaning that we have the wrong polarity, 16.1 volt. Okay, wow. I'm gonna leave it. Can you see it well? No? Now I'm gonna change the voltage on my power supply too, because it says that it's working from 5 volts. Now we have 5.7 volts on the power supply, and on the voltmeter I can read 5.35. And let's go a little bit lower. Now I am sending exactly 5 volts and it's showing 5 volts. .5, 5.25, and yes, starts to work from 5 volts. And let's increase the voltage to how many? Let's see, this is 30 volts, 30.5 volts. I read 30.2, and my power supply maximum can give 46 volts. I can read 45 volts. And it's working fine. On the package says that it's working from 6 to 24, but in description in the link it says the maximum is 120, but I do not recommend that. Here it is approved, working great to 45 volts. Let's change the polarity now. Let's see, this way. 45.1 on my power supply, 45.3. And before I show you the small upgrade that I will do to this gadget, I need to give a shout out to my latest supporter, Mav, who sent me a couple of coffees for supporting my work and supporting my job. Thank you, sir, very much for supporting the channel. And to say one more time, thanks to all of you who already sent me some coffees. The link will be in the description below. Thank you. I need to open it. And I'm sorry that I didn't do this at the beginning of the video. I have a red filter. I'm gonna attach it right here. Beautiful. Put it back. Alright. And now I'm gonna touch touch the positive lead. Is it better? Wow. Come on. You can see from the studio lights, but I think it's better. It's more visible with the red filter on, believe me. Okay, what I noticed something else. In description of this product, it says Automotive fuse testing, generator testing, AC voltage testing. This is DC voltage, and that's why there is the bridge rectifier, so can measure AC voltages also. Let's try it. So here I have my AC voltage adapter. This was a DC adapter, but I converted to give AC voltage, and I'm gonna prove that with my voltmeter, or sorry, my multimeter, which is one of my best, and also it's a rechargeable, and all the products that you are seeing in this video will be in description below with links, so you can check it and take a look. We have AC voltage of 12.2 volts, and here it is, the AC icon right here. I'm gonna change to DC and take a look. 000 changing to AC 12.2 volts. So now I'm gonna do it just like this. And will it work? What do you think? It will work for sure, because there is a bridge rectifier inside. And take a look. Oh, I made a short. And why the voltage is changing all the time? Take a look. 5 volt, 16 volt, 6.10 volt, 9 volt. Also the green and the red LED indicator for polarity are turned on in the same time. Why is doing this? Should I change this to be like this, maybe? Opposite polarity. Wow, short again. Nope, still changing the voltages, but why is doing that, I don't know. And for what purpose is there that big N-pen power switch transistor? If you know, please let me know in the comments below. And also, one more time, I'm gonna show you a close-up of the circuit board so you can see better. So for around $5 from Aliexpress, you can get this Automotive test pan with LED display for measuring AC DC voltage from 5, and it says to 120 volts, but I have tested to 45 volts. It's working great, and it's a useful product for those who need for maybe repairing in the cars, in the trucks or motorcycles, for whatever, and it's good and it's working. Okay, that was all for today's video. Give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!